So this is the Binance website. This is the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin is trading today at $56,000. It's retraced up a little, but today's a down day for Bitcoin, as you can see. So basically, I don't trade the coin futures. I trade the USD futures. So to trade this, I have to put some USDT into my futures account. And as you can see, I have 0 in my futures account. So to put money there, you'll go here to your wallet overview. So right here, you just go wallet overview. And I transferred some Bitcoin here. So right now I have $1,612. This was transferred from my outside wallet to my Binance wallet. And to transfer this, we have to convert this first to the USDT, which is the Tether coin. So it's very easy to convert. So you just go to trade right up here, convert Bitcoin. I'm going to convert the entire amount, 0.0288. Tether preview conversion, and there I'll get $1,607. So convert, boom, successful. So right now I have $1,607. So you can go back to your wallet, go back to wallet overview, and then right there, my Tether account has the money now. One thing I like Tether better than the Bitcoin is the price swings of Bitcoin. Like I actually would have $2,000, but because of the price decline these past 2 days, yeah, that's why my Bitcoin value went down. But Tether is pretty stable, I think. So anyways, so now that I have Tether, I will transfer it to my futures account, right? So you just click transfer. And you're going to transfer it to your M futures. And it's your Tether. And I'm going to transfer the entire amount. So it's about $1,609. Confirm. Boom, that's it. So successful. And then you go back to your M futures account, refresh it. And now you have $1,609 in your account right here. Now the leverage is right here. So for Bitcoin, as I said, Bitcoin with the Binance, you get 125. Confirm. You can buy. So basically with this little amount I have here, I can buy roughly about 2 Bitcoin. Which is not smart to do, because this is like more this is like casino on steroids. So you don't want to do that. But it's possible. Only Bitcoin. For Ethereum, you get 100 to 1. So if you go to Ethereum right here, so Ethereum, you get 100 to 1. Let's see, 100 to 1 right there. You can get 100 to 1 leverage on Ethereum, which is pretty good. That's a lot of leverage. Let's just make a sample trade on Ethereum, right? Let's do a sample trade on Ethereum. Let me see. This looks like it's still it has a lot of weight. It looks like still having going down more. So no, I'm not gonna do no trade yet. But yeah, the other so for the other pairs, which the other altcoins, so like example, one of my favorite is Filecoin. Filecoin, wow, it went down hard. I remember this was about $190 just a couple days ago. Wow, went down hard. So Filecoin, and the leverage, I think the maximum they will give you is, like, see, about 50, roughly about 50 leverage. But Bitcoin, you get 125 leverage. All right, that's it for today. Happy trading.